Did you like the present? Did you love it?
Yeah.
You just farted. Is that a birthday fart?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you like your cake? Looks like you did. And your sherbet ice cream?
Yeah.
Well, show me your number 5 candle. Uh-oh, it broke.
It's not real ice cream. It's frozen fruit.
It's frozen fruit. Ooh, hey. Noisy. Kendra.
I guess that's a
Say hi. Say happy birthday, Shelly.
Happy birthday, Shelly. Happy birthday, Shelly.
You're Shelly. Say happy birthday to me. Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Mom.
No, not to me. Say happy birthday to yourself.
Happy birthday, Shelly.
You can say to me kind of a thing, but that works too. Cool. Ooh, keep your food in your mouth. That is the gluten-filled goodness. That is the gluten-free one we made. And they're both being eaten.
Yay!